Next up, we have the Songbirds of Swasti form a melodious group and sing their hearts out, spreading joy and unity through their harmonious voices, just like the festival of Onam.
Need to 4+4. Other upload would come. Ladies group song. Start it. One check it. Mic. Okay. Back in it. We are not going to do that. Center.